Hello, and welcome to another video. Today I want to explain what Pics does. Let's go. First we navigate to laser-pics.com. Now, we click on Images in the top menu. As you see at the very top, we have a filter possibility. You can filter the images for DPI, categories, materials, algorithms, and transparency. For example, if you change transparency to yes, it will only show transparent images. However, usually I choose the correct DPI value for my laser. In my case it is 282. Let's click for example on the eagle. As you see, it shows us now the original, the prepared, and the engraved image. Let's download the original, so I can show you how this will look like. All of the images on Pics have an awesome resolution and are perfect for engraving, since we already tested them. You can see the file size here, for example. At the top of the page you can see the DPI of the prepared image, the size, and the algorithm we used. All of these images are made with algorithms from imageR.com. So it's also perfect to test some images made with paid algorithms before you actually buy a subscription on imageR. Since the images are already prepared, be aware you can't change the size, because you'll mess up the dithering. Also, we wrote underneath the engraved images the power and speed settings we used for the image. In future we will also use other devices. For now all of them were made with our 80-watt CO2 laser. You can also support this project, since we need a lot of material to test the images. But that's completely optional and up to you. Of course, we are happy about every single dollar to keep this page growing. Hopefully you will check the page out in future and try some of our images. And now let's burn some of them. Let's go. I haven't done anything to the prepared image, only imported it in Lightburn, set power and speed, and started the job. As you see, the image looks awesome with absolutely no effort. Let's try another one. So let's click again on Images, and change the DPI to 282. I will use this iguana for the next image. Again, just download the prepared image and import it into your laser software. Run the job and be happy with an awesome result, hopefully. Great, probably it was slightly too much power on this one, but it still looks awesome. I hope you understood now what's the purpose of Pics, and I am happy to see some of your results hopefully in our Facebook group. Link is of course in the video description. If you enjoyed the video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe our channel. This would be really helpful and highly appreciated. Thanks for your time, and have a great day. Bye.